Hey, if you're starting your financial journey and don't want to waste money on opening fees or juggling minimum balances, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the best bank accounts in the US for beginners that require no minimum deposit, plus the real pros, the gotchas, and exactly how to pick the right one for your life. I'll cover 5 top options, big-name banks and online challengers, and explain why each one might be the best fit depending on how you bank. Whether you want branch access, high interest on savings, cashback on debit, or an ultra-simple checking account with no surprise fees. I'll also give quick tips on what to look for when you open an account. Spoiler, no minimum deposit is only one piece of the puzzle. Number 1, Capital One 360, the all-around safe, fee-free starter. If you want a straightforward online checking account with great ATM access and no minimum to open or maintain, Capital One 360 is a top pick. There are no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, and the account comes with large ATM networks, Capital One, MoneyPass, and Allpoint, which helps avoid out-of-network fees when you need cash. So beginners who value simplicity and a clean app experience, this is hard to beat. Pros: no minimums, no monthly fee, easy mobile app, lots of ATMs. Cons: interest rates aren't usually the highest for savings. If you want to earn serious APY, consider pairing this with a high-yield savings elsewhere. Number 2, Ally Bank. Best if you want strong online tools plus savings options. Ally is an online bank known for customer-friendly features. No minimum deposits to open, no monthly fees for basic checking and savings, and helpful tools like buckets for saving goals and easy autopilot features. Ally also tends to be competitive on savings APYs and makes transferring money simple, which is great if you want to combine a no minimum checking with a higher yield savings account. For beginners who are comfortable without branches and want an excellent mobile experience, Ally is a great fit. Pros: great digital tools, no minimums, competitive savings APY. Cons: no physical branches. Not ideal if you prefer in-person banking. Number 3, Discover Cashback Debit. Earn while you spend. Want the novelty of getting cash back on debit purchases? Discover's Cashback Debit Checking has no minimum deposit to open, no monthly fees, and it pays a small percentage back on debit card purchases. It's an attractive choice if you don't carry credit cards yet and want to squeeze a little reward out of everyday spending. Discover also has good online support and no fee checking structure. If rewards plus simplicity appeal to you, put this one on your list. Pros: cashback on purchases, no fees, strong online banking experience. Cons: fewer physical branches and limited in-person deposit options. Number 4, Vero Bank. Best for fee-free, mobile-first banking. Vero is a mobile-first bank that advertises no minimum balance requirement, no monthly fees, and no overdraft fees on many accounts. It's designed for people who want fast, low-cost banking through their phone, including features like early direct deposit and tools for automatic saving. If you like simplicity and plan to bank mainly with your smartphone, Vero is built for that beginner experience. Keep an eye on eligibility rules for some add-on features, like higher APY tiers that may require direct deposit. Pros: zero fees, mobile-friendly features, early direct deposit. Cons: some perks depend on qualifying activity. Not the best option if you need branch banking. Number 5, Chase Secure Banking. Best if you want big bank access without a big opening balance. If you prefer a major bank with branches but want to avoid minimum opening deposits, Chase Secure Banking is built for that. It has no minimum deposit to get started, no overdraft fees, and the scale of Chase's branch and ATM network means in-person service is available when you need it. This can be especially comforting for first-time bank users who want a local branch for identity help, cash handling, or depositing checks. Note, other Chase accounts may have fees or balance requirements. Secure banking is specifically positioned as an entry-level, low-friction option. Pros: branch access, no minimum to open secure banking, no overdraft fees. Cons: some product limits and monthly fee structures exist on other Chase accounts. Read the fine print. Quick comparison plus who each account is best for. Want branch access plus big bank safety. Chase Secure Banking. Want the best online savings tools and competitive APY? Ally. Want rewards on debit purchases? Discover Cashback Debit. Want a mobile-first, low-fee experience? Varo. Want a balance, no-fuss checking with lots of ATMs? Capital One 360.